In this video we will add and remove the Properties panel and Project Browser in Autodesk Revit. First, you can always close both panels with the small X in the top right-hand corner of the window. To get them back, go to the View tab. Then go to the Windows panel. Then click on User Interface. Check the box for Project Browser, then check the box for Properties. This will bring both panels back. Alternatively, you can press the P key twice to add and remove the Properties panel. Follow for more tips and tricks in Autodesk Revit.